Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this brainrot element filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the effect. To get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for brainrot element. Okay, the first one, brainrot element IQ match. This is the filter. Just tap on it. Okay, got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for brainrot element filter. Okay, on the top row you will see this effect, brainrot element IQ match. Tap on it. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect either way, what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page again. Just tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Now solve it. I'm not going to solve it here.